Today we are going to start the last part of 6-2. Now we are starting from 7-2. Okay. So in 7-2, see that in LH is given sine 20 degree, sine 40 degree, sine 60 degree and sine 80 degree. Okay. So this is given. So we can write here 1 by 2 sine 20 sine 40 and the remaining are sine 60. You can put the value of sine 60 here. So put it here. Okay. So that means root 3 by 4 and 2 sine A sine B. That means cos of 20 degree minus cos of 60 degree into sine 80 degree. Okay. Now sine 60 degree, cos 60 degree means that is value is 1 by 2. So if you put the value over there and you write, so 3 by 4 cos 20 sine 80 minus root 3 by 8 into sine 80 degree. Okay. So if we again multiply by half, then we get root 3 by 8 and this is the 2 cos 20 and sine 80. So that means sine 100 minus sine 60. Okay. And this is remaining same, root 3 by 8 sine 80 degree. Now see that sine 60 means root 3 by 2 and sine 100 means sine 80. Okay. So that means root 3 by 8 sine 80 degree minus sine 60 means root 2 by 2, root 2 by 2 into root 2 by 8, that means 3 by 16 minus root 3 by 8 sine 80. Okay. So that means this part and this part is cancelled, so we get minus 3 by 16, which is given as right hand side root. So sine 100 means sine 80. That means 100 means 180 minus 80. That means second quadrant, that is sine. So sine 80. Okay. Note it down. Next one. Now in 7a3, see that for LHS equals to given 4 sine theta into sine pi by 3 minus theta into sine of pi by 3 plus theta. So pi by 3 means we know that this is 60 degree. So we can write 4 sine theta. If we multiply by half and write 2 into this, that is sine A into sine B. Okay. So this is B and this is A. If you write, then we can write 2 sine of pi by 3. If you write 60 here, you can minus theta sine 60 degree plus theta. Okay. So that means 2 sine theta into this part cos 2 theta minus cos 120 degree. Okay. So if we multiply, we get 2 sine theta cos 2 theta minus 2 sine theta cos 120 degree. That means minus half. So minus half into 2, that means 1. So plus sine theta. So now cos 2 theta means we know that 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. 2 sine theta, 1 minus 2 sine squared theta plus sine theta. Okay. So 2 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta plus sine theta. So 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. That means sine 3 theta. Okay, this is the sine 3 theta formula. Sine 3 theta equals to, we are discussing this formula in this next chapter. Sine 3 theta equals to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta, which is the given as RHS. Which is the given as RHS. Proved. Next one. Now, in 882, see that 10 LH is given 2 pi by 3 plus x into 10 2 pi by 3 minus x. So 10 means we know that sine by cos. So if we multiply by 2, then 2 into sine 2 pi by 3 plus x into sine 2 pi by 3 minus x by 2 into sine, this is cos of 2 pi by 3 plus x into cos of 2 pi by 3 minus x. So 2 sine A sine B, that means cos of 2x minus cos of 4 pi by 3 and cos of 2 cos A cos B, that means cos of 4 pi by 3, okay, plus cos 2x. Now cos pi by 3, that means pi plus pi by 3, so that means half. Okay, so that means we can write cos of 2x minus half. Okay, that means plus half and cos of 2x minus half. So if we calculate, we get cos 2x plus 1 by 2 cos 2x minus 1, which is the given RHS. Okay, good. Next one. In number 9, see that 1 by 2 cos 3 pi by 13 plus 1 by 2 cos 5 pi by 13 minus cos of 9 pi by 13 into cos 12 pi by 13. So if we multiple 1 by 2, then we get 2 cos 9 pi by 13 into cos 12 pi by 13 here. So 2 cos A cos B. Okay, that means cos A plus B plus cos A minus B minus C. Okay, B minus A. So that means 1 by 2 cos of 3 pi by 13 plus 1 by 2 cos 5 pi by 13 minus half into 2 cos 9 pi by 13 into cos 12 pi by 30. So that means half cos 3 pi by 13 plus 1 by 2 cos 5 pi by 13 minus 1 by 2 cos 21 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13. Okay. So now if we open the bracket, then we first part 3 pi by 3 is there. And the last part is same. So these are, the two part are cancelled. Okay. So 1 by 2 cos 3 pi by 13 plus 1 by 2 cos 5 pi by 13 minus 1 by 2 cos 21 by 13 minus 1 by 2 cos 3 pi by 13. So this part and this part is cancelled. So we get this part. So that means 1 by 2 common. Then you can write cos of 5 pi by 13 minus. So 21 pi is there. So you can write cos of 2 pi minus 5 pi by 30. Okay. So that means 1 by 2 cos 5 pi by 13 minus cos 5 pi by 30. So this is 0. That means 0, which is given as RHS. Proved. Note down all of it. Now in next problem 982, see that 1 by LHS 1 by 2 sine 10 degree minus 2 sine 70 degree. Okay. So simply LCM 2 sine 10 1 minus 4 sine 10 and sine 70. Okay. So 1 minus 2 into 2, that means sine formula means cos of 60 minus cos of 80 by 2 sine 10. Okay. So if you open the bracket, then we get 1 minus, see that, cos 60, that means half. That means half into 2, this is 1 plus cos 80 by, this is cancelled, 2 sine 10. So cos 80 means 2 is there, sine 10, so 2 sine 10 by 2 sine 10, cancelled. This is 1, which is the RHS. Okay. Don't tell me. In 9.3, see that sine 90 degree plus sine 41 degree plus sine 83 degree. Okay. This is given an LHS. Now see that. So if we take these two, we can write 2 of sine 30 cos 11 degree and sine 83, that means cos 7. So 2 into half into cos 11 plus cos 7. So that means cos 11 plus cos 7. Okay. Now for the RHS, sine 23 degree plus sine 37 degree plus sine 79 degree. Okay. So now if you this two you are taking, so you can write 2 sine 30 degree into cos 7 degree, and sine 79, that means cos 11. Okay. So 2 into half into cos 7 plus cos 11 degree. So this is cancelled. So we get cos 7 degree plus cos 11 degree, which is the LHS. So proved. Note down all of you. Now in number 11, see that sine of theta minus alpha equals to P and cos of theta minus beta equals to Q. Okay. So I am taking, let alpha minus theta equals to capital A and theta minus beta equals to capital B. Okay. So then A plus B equals to alpha plus beta. Sorry, alpha minus beta. So that means P equals to sine of minus A, that means minus sine A, and Q equals to cos B, that means cos of B. Okay. So P means here theta minus alpha, okay, and Q means there is cos of, okay, minus beta. So if we put the value over there, plus 2PQ into sine of alpha minus beta. So alpha minus beta, so that means this is sine alpha minus beta. So if you put the value of this, so P means sine A, that means sine square A plus cos square B plus minus 2 sine A cos B sine of A plus B. Just put the value over there, okay? Now see that sine square A plus cos square B minus sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B into sine of A plus B. Okay. So now if we open it, so we can write sine square A plus cos square B sine square minus sine square A plus B minus sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B. So sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B, that means sine square A minus sine square B. So you can write here, so sine square A plus cos square B minus sine square A plus B minus sine square A plus sine square B. So these are cancelled and this plus this equals to 1. Sine square A, sine square B plus cos square B equals to 1. So we can write here 1 minus sine square A plus B, that means cos square A plus B, okay, which is the given RHS. Proved. Next one. In number 12, see that 4 cos A, cos B, cos C is given. I have to express this as a sum of 4 cos term. So then we can write here 2 cos A into cos B cos C. So that means 2 cos A, so cos B plus C plus cos B minus C. Similarly 2 cos A cos B plus C plus 2 cos A cos B minus C. So this is cos of A plus B plus C plus cos of A minus, A plus B A minus B minus C plus cos of A plus B minus C plus cos of A minus B plus C. Okay, this fourth term will be there. Now, next one. In number 13, see that cos theta equals to 3 cos phi is given. So you have to prove 2 sine phi minus theta by 2 equals to cot theta plus phi by 2. So we can write here cos theta by cos phi equals to 3 by 1. So that means cos theta plus cos phi by cos theta minus cos phi equals to 4 by 2. That means 2. Okay. So cos C plus cos D, that means 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 by 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin phi minus theta by 2 equals to 2. Okay. So here cos of minus theta equals to cos theta. Okay. So we know that cos of minus theta equals to cos theta. Similarly, cos of minus pi theta by 2, if this one right, then equals to write cos of phi minus theta by 2. Okay, so then these two are cancelled. So you can write this by this means cot theta plus phi by 2 equals to, this is also cot, in this side this is sine, tan. So 2 tan theta, not theta, this is phi minus theta by 2, which is the given. Okay, proved. Next one. In 15, see that cos of x plus cos of y equals to 1 by 3 and sine of x plus sine of y equals to 1 by 4. So that means we can write here cos c plus cos d, that means 2 of cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 equals to 1 by 3. This is number 1. And this is 2 sine x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 equals to 1 by 4. This is number 2. Now, dividing 2 and 1, we get 2 sine x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2 equals to, by 1 by 4 by 1 by 3 to cos x plus y by 2 okay. So that means these two part are cancelled. So sin by cos, that means tan x plus y by 2 equals to 3 by 4, which is the given fruit. Okay. Next one. In number 16, see that sine of A equals to m into sine of B. This is given. So that means sine of A by sine of B equals to m by 1. So sine of A plus sine of B by sine of A minus sine of B equals to m plus 1 by m minus 1. So that means sine of A plus sine of B, that means 2 sine A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 by 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sine A minus B by 2 equals to m plus 1 by m minus 1. 2 to cancel, so we can write here this by this equals to 10. So 10 A plus B by 2 into, this is cot, in this side this is 10. So m plus 1 by m minus 1 into tan A minus B by 2. Okay. So that's all. Rest of the sums are homework. And if any problem is there, you can ask me. Thank you all of you. Take care. Bye bye.